light on. And bulb burned out. Turn it up in the front. Got one working light. And the other one burned out. So now we'll show you how to replace them. Okay, so both the front and rear marker lights use the same bulb. In this case, I pulled some used ones, so I'm going to check them before I put everything all back together to make sure these are actually good. The side marker lights use 194 bulbs. You can also upgrade to LED lights, and you'll find the links for both in the description below. Alright, so the rears are really simple. You only have to remove this one screw. And remove the screw. Comes out. You can see. Just turn it. Pull the old one out. Looks bad. Put the new one in. Let's go verify that it works. It works. And then just put it back together again by turning it in here. It's keyed. Keyed one way. Turn. Tuck the tab in. Insert the screw. Very easy. That's all there is to it. Okay, so the front reflectors don't have a screw, so they're a little more complicated. I go ahead and turn the wheel in because I'm going to have to remove some of these tabs to get to it from this side. Okay, so off camera I went ahead and turned the wheel in so I can get more room, and I'm now pulling the tabs off with the tab trim removal tool. Okay, so from here, I'm going to show you. You can see where the back of it is. You're going to undo it, undo the light socket from there. But I need both hands free, so I'm going to do this off camera. Or maybe not. I can do it on camera. You just can't quite see everything I'm doing. So I'm going to turn it, pull it out, and there's the bulb. And boy, you can tell that one's shot. It actually just broke. So that can happen. So you got to be careful not to cut yourself. I'm gonna go get some pliers. So the whole bulb broke, but I got lucky that the filament was strong enough to pull out the broken bits. So let's put this one in. And I think what happened is these just got so hot from the daytime running lights or the Florida sun that it just baked it over the last 20 years. Okay, so I checked that this used bulb I had is working, and I'm going to put it back in and put the tabs back on the mud panel. Okay, I was able to put it back in the socket by feel very easily, and then I just push these guys back in their respective holes, and that's it. And you know, when you have an older car, every little thing you can do to make it look nice, you know, with all the lights working, for example, it makes it look less junky than it has to be. So as you can see, fronts aren't too bad to do either. It's just a matter of knowing what you've got to do.